Bicep workout are a key part of any upper body training routine. This exercise focus on building the size, shape and strength of the bicep, which are the critical for arm flexion and pulling movement. Whenever you are using dumbbell, barbell, resistance band or cable, bicep exercise like pitcher curl, incline curl and concentration curl can help you achieve noticeable gains. Training your bicep is a great way to enhance the strength and appearance of your arm. Bicep workout mainly target the front part of the upper arm and are important for tasks that involve lifting or pulling. Exercise like dumbbell curl, barbell curl, cable curl, and chin up are highly effective for building bicep muscle. To get the best result, focus on proper technique, controlled movement, and gradual increasing resistance. Bicep training not only improve aesthetic but also contribute to overall upper body strength and stability. With dedication and the right approach, anyone can build a strong, more defined bicep over time.
I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time.